Good morning from Hersheypark. The park is not yet open, but it is around 9 a.m. We are here for the Hersheypark Sweet Start because as a season pass holder, we get a 1 hour early entry into the park, and resort guests do as well. So we're gonna go in and see how many rides we can get in during the Sweet Start. So come along, let's do it. Looks like other season pass holders and resort guests have the same idea. The park officially opens at 10, but we are here a little bit around 8:30 to get in line. This is gonna be really nice because during normal opening hours it's usually pretty busy, but let's see how many rides we can get in. It doesn't look too packed today. Just for reference, it's about 8:45 and we're getting let in. I don't know, rides might open around 9, but it's nice that they're letting us in the park. So like the song saying, it's gonna be a good day. We're gonna have a good Hersheypark day. Let's do it. We are in, look at Candymonium. It's already up and going, doing some testing. But we're gonna hit Wildcats Revenge first to check that off the list. Maybe hit Laugh Track and kind of work our way from there. We got into the park, and I will say they do hold you entering into the park a little bit. They probably open up at 9, but if you wanted a very early ride, you can get on Candymonium. It looks like it is open before 9 a.m. There's already people on it. So that's a good one that you could start out with, but we're still gonna head to Wildcats Revenge, hoping it's open. And we're off. If you're ever wondering what Hersheypark rope drop looks like, this is what it is. Oh look, they have a band out too. Well, we got up to the point where we were going to do Wildcats Revenge, but it looks like they were blocking off the area entering into the water park. So I think that opens at 10. So the only real rides that are open right now are all of the more kiddie rides, the Comet and Candymonium. So we're gonna go head up to Candymonium and at least get that ride in for the start of the day. This actually works out though, because I've never seen Miss Twizzler before. Look, there's Hersheypark.
Swing on by and show me some of your best moves as well.
Hello! Look at them! Yay! I've never seen the Twizzler before, so this is my first time.
Come through Chocolate Town, we're smiling today!
Looks like there still isn't too much of a line, so we'll go ahead and put all of our stuff in a locker. I should be happy though, this is my favorite ride at Hersheypark. So even just getting to check it off at the beginning of the day is still a good start to our Hersheypark day. Look, there it goes. It's so good. All right, we gotta get our locker going. So next time I see you guys, we will be out of the locker. All right guys, we'll see you after the ride. Oh, we made it. Another great ride on Candymonium. Candymonium is just so good here at Hersheypark. You have to check it out whenever you visit. If you get the back row, that's one of my favorites because you feel so fast whenever you go down the hill. Also, I want to give a shout out to Emily that works here at Candymonium. Thanks so much for pointing us out and for supporting us over on TikTok. So if you ever see us in the parks, feel free to say hi. And if you see Emily here, say hi to her as well. Now we're gonna make our way over near the Skyrush area. Whenever I was coming back here to Candymonium, I saw they were running it and there were some people on it. So I'm not sure if that's going to be open. If so, I hope Great Bear is open, because that's another one of my favorites. Since the line doesn't look too long, and I've never done it before, we're going to do Comet. This is a really popular wooden roller coaster here. Let's check it out. I was wondering if there was a way to see what everything was open. It looks like the app does have all of the wait times of the open attractions right now. So look, there's Candymonium. It did take us about 10 minutes to do it, and it says that Comet here is going to be 10 minutes as well. So when you come to Hersheypark, make sure you're downloading the app so that way you can look at the map and see what is actually open and plan out your morning that way. But if we go over to the other side of the park, it looks like other rides aren't open yet, like Wildcats closed. All the other ones we might want to check out, like the Storm Runner, is also closed, so those will open at 10. But definitely download the app so that way you can plan around that way.
All clear. Dispatch.
Here they go.
Enjoy your ride.
I hope this coaster isn't super rough, but we'll just have to see. I've been meaning to do it for a while. I can't believe it's taken me this long to do it. Oh my gosh, Comet was so fun. I sat in the middle, so it wasn't super rough. It was actually a really fun coaster. It didn't hurt my head or anything, so I really enjoyed that. but it is around 9:55 now, so I guess officially we got 2 rides in during Sweet Start. It does look like the park is starting to officially open. Everybody is running in, getting their day started, which probably means that Wildcats Revenge is most likely open now. But that is going to have to end our video here for our Sweet Start here in Hersheypark. I would say it is definitely worth it if you're a resort guest or a season pass holder. You can come in and really maximize your time and get on and off rides very quickly. I would recommend having the app downloaded ahead of time and check the map and see what rides are open, so that way you can maximize your time here. But if you're looking for any Hersheypark tips, you can check out this video here and a tour of Hersheypark if you've never been before. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you guys later.